The GoPro Hero 14 is one of the most awaited action cameras of 2025. After the successful release of the Hero 13 in September 2024, fans are eager to see what new features and improvements the Hero 14 will bring. Although GoPro has not officially announced the Hero 14 yet, many rumors and leaks indicate exciting upgrades. In this article, we will explore the expected design, features, performance, and more about the upcoming GoPro Hero 14. GoPro cameras are known for their compact and rugged design. The Hero 14 is expected to continue this tradition. It will likely have a similar size and shape as the Hero 13, making it easy to mount on helmets, bikes, or handheld grips. The camera is also expected to be waterproof up to 10 meters without any additional housing, allowing users to capture underwater adventures with ease. One of the notable features from the Hero 13 was the magnetic latch mounting system, which made attaching and detaching the camera more convenient. The Hero 14 is likely to retain this feature, ensuring compatibility with existing accessories and mounts. A significant upgrade anticipated in the Hero 14 is a new image sensor. While the Hero 13 used an older sensor design, the Hero 14 is rumored to feature a larger and more advanced sensor. This upgrade could lead to better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper images. Some reports indicate that the Hero 14 might support 8K video recording, which would be a major leap in action camera technology. The improved sensor is expected to maintain GoPro's unique 8:7 aspect ratio, allowing flexible cropping for various formats, including social media platforms. The GoPro Hero 13 was really cool because it could record super clear videos. It could shoot video in 5.3K quality at 120 frames per second and in 4K at 240 FPS. That means it could capture very smooth and detailed slow-motion videos. People loved this feature. Now, the new GoPro Hero 14 might be even better. Some people say it could record 6K videos at 240 FPS. That would make slow-motion videos look even more amazing and detailed, like watching a raindrop fall in super slow motion. There are also rumors that it might record in 8K. That means the videos would be ultra clear and sharp, almost like you're seeing things with your own eyes. This would be great for people who make movies or love recording adventures. Taking videos in the dark or in places with not much light has always been hard for GoPro cameras. The Hero 13 did a better job than older versions, but it still wasn't perfect. Sometimes the videos looked a little grainy or had weird colors when there wasn't enough light. The new Hero 14 is supposed to fix this. People say it will work much better in dark places. It could show clearer videos with brighter colors and less fuzzy stuff. That means if you're recording at night, inside a cave or underwater, the video will still look good. GoPro's hyper-smooth stabilization technology has been a standout feature in its cameras. The Hero 14 is expected to introduce Hypersmooth 7.0, offering even smoother video in challenging conditions and during high-speed activities. This upgrade would be beneficial for capturing action-packed moments without the need for additional stabilization equipment. One of the most frequent requests from GoPro users is built-in wireless microphone support. While the Hero 13 offered some improvements in audio capture, it still fell short of providing wireless Bluetooth mic connectivity. Rumors indicate that the GoPro Hero 14 may finally introduce Bluetooth support for wireless microphones, making it much easier for vloggers and solo creators to capture professional-grade audio without relying on additional accessories like the Media Mod. The modular accessories introduced with the Hero 13 were a hit, and GoPro is expected to expand on this success with the Hero 14. There could be new and more specialized lens mods offering even more versatility. For example, a telephoto mod for zooming in on distant subjects or enhanced underwater mods could attract users in specific niche markets. Additionally, the Hero 14 could continue improving communication between the camera and its lens mods, automatically adjusting settings based on the type of lens attached, making it easier to capture high-quality footage in a variety of shooting conditions. Battery life is always a crucial factor for action cameras, and the Hero 13 introduced a 1900 mAh Enduro battery that extended runtime by about 13.5% compared to its predecessor. The Hero 14 is expected to feature an even larger battery, potentially around 2100 mAh, further improving shooting times in extreme conditions. With GoPro's focus on rugged performance, the Hero 14's battery could offer better resilience in both cold and hot environments, making it more reliable for adventurers. GoPro's integration with cloud services has been growing, and the Hero 14 is expected to continue leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, for smarter, more efficient shooting experiences. Features like AI-assisted auto-editing, real-time highlight creation, and improved cloud storage solutions may be part of the Hero 14's software suite. AI-driven capabilities could save users time by automatically selecting the best footage and creating shareable clips directly from the cloud. The GoPro Hero 14 is expected to launch in fall 2025, following the company's usual release pattern seen with the Hero 12 and Hero 13. Some leaks, including employee hints on Reddit, support a September launch, though nothing is officially confirmed yet. As for pricing, GoPro typically keeps things consistent, with the Hero 13 priced at $399 in 2024. Many believe the Hero 14 will cost the same or slightly more, possibly around $429, especially if it includes major upgrades like 8K video, a new sensor, or better stabilization. Bundle options with accessories like mounts or batteries may go for around $499 or more, and GoPro subscribers are likely to receive discounts as they did in the past. The GoPro Hero 14 could be one of the biggest action camera upgrades we've seen in years. With possible 8K video, better slow motion, Hypersmooth 7.0, and wireless mic support, this camera could be a game changer. GoPro fans should keep watching for official news, likely around late summer 2025. If the rumors are true, the Hero 14 will be perfect for YouTubers, vloggers, sports lovers, and anyone who loves capturing the action. Until then, it's fun to imagine what this new camera might bring, and it sounds like it's going to be something really special.